severe thunderstorm warning until what the world? No sound. That's weird. Oh, okay. It went off, sorry. I thought I was gonna catch it. I swear I heard it go off though. Okay, that literally just popped up again, so that's weird. Irontown EAS. I know what EAS means, but why the Irontown part? Why does it gotta be a special EAS? Yeah. That's not at all creepy. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I guess. Peace. Bye.
Central West Virginia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Barbersville or near Proctorville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Hamlin, Chesapeake, Proctorville, Barbersville, Milton, Ona, Culloden, Burlington, Athalia, Scotown, Salt Rock, Pea Ridge, and Green Bottom. This includes Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 7 and 31.
This time I actually caught it. 7:12 p.m. Sorry I didn't get the attention-grabbing tone, but whatever. I caught it. Anyway. I really don't need to worry about it unless it becomes more severe than this. Anyway. See you in my next video. Peace. Bye. It is Monday, June 13th, 2022. I know, the clock is 1 minute behind, by the way. I wanted to address that before I forgot.